it's day number 2. Woo! We're almost done.
Alright, so today we are going to be making a Christmas card, and not just any Christmas card, it's going to be a Santa Christmas card. So what you can do is start with some red paper like I have here, and I folded it in half so that I can get my card. Now you can take a black strip of paper or anything you have. This is actually the back of a notebook that I'm no longer using, so I just cut that down to make my band or belt, Santa's belt, and you can just put it on your paper just to make sure you have the size that you want, and just cut off the piece that you don't need. So I'm going to cut it across right there. There we go. And then you can put some glue. Or tape, whichever you have available. Add some tape like I'm doing here to the back of your black band. Stick that down. Just there you go. And what you would need is just a yellow square of paper. Of course, you could color this if you don't have a yellow square, and you just make sure it measures right in the center of your belt there. So I'm going to just cut this down so it's about the size that I need. So I think this is a good size square because this is going to be Santa's buckle for his belt. Now what you would need to do is just cut out the center. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. You just fold your square in half and take your scissors and just cut midway through, so you're not going all the way down to the edge, so that you get the same thickness around. Right, so cut that square out. You can now open out the paper, and there we go. Look at Santa's one. It's nice, doesn't it? So this is a really simple craft that you can do with your kids over this season. So I'm just going to add some glue to the back of the belt and just add it right there, and we're good to go. Look at that, doesn't that look lovely? So you can go ahead and open your card and write a nice note to your family. You can wish them a Merry Christmas or Happy New Year, anything you want to write in your card. And this was really easy to make, and it looks really nice. I hope you enjoyed this craft for today, and I'll see you next time.